No, just allow him to.
I'm show back just for them to see something. Enti then at on.
Start.
Yeah.
House of Folk one Asante Kotoko
March
2017.
So they can go down kakana. This is how instant net here. This is how it is.
I'll challenge you.
No, a detailed. No, and yes, challenge. I'm just on show be that. David Mutam, you know, a club ni keep PDF. They don't on farm barbon thing. So I'm just letting people see how it is, not a EBA keke for educational purposes. You say that you have more average position of players ni na listed players na team sheet no are listed wa. The numbers ni you can see as a coach you can see where your players no. EBA can say Wimbo were indeed whether they were doing it or not. It's a nice software. It's a nice like I say app. It took time I David Mo announce open nipa ba ko ball ma ba so a. You so be ball ma ba so chen me. Because now mean how important it will be for the club in terms of coaching and understanding the players and what they are really doing on the field. Even minutes, there are times minutes when the system even change on the field. You don't cut down. We had 29 pages on just one match. So imagine when your club no abobo now when you data on your team around 29 pages.
What you keeping your money now?
It just popped up. And I say me PC ba crashing and I ko PM. Debate me amount any main statistics, passes, attack, lost balls, ball recovery, challenges, ball possession. It's a wonderful thing. It's a club you will be a nipa bi okofa ba bi so obona baso.
In connection with some matters na no panel can we do your banner.
No way. As a mechanic Kotoko ye use be paying. David must signed a contract with them. So I guess every game nom de more. But during look at time time I look at every game they were sending it to us.
Okay.
Yes. This how club the obi no beka say you don't need some of these things. Be obeka say we be anim the oka because even player to me pick your player statistics. Player be sending a PDF. Into say Baba Mahama and I Kotoko's present case be Emmanuel Entry. I bet sure the number of places Emmanuel Entry lose ball. So if the video analysts are speaking to you, and unfortunately for David Motai, they had a video analyst or Nigeria guy no. Into say we onu nsaka we na or the can the knowledge as a video analyst on na o breaking it down. No team and unless it be a BBC. But in terms of understanding of opponent there, they always be. So this is how it is. The court command on say a better flanks, area of attack. This is it. So this is a nice one.
That's
extremely nice, pa.
And I say what we hungry.
Oh, family.
Yeah, now.
Oh, did you show me?
Can we
I know catch on.
Na make you know na almost say we mu dey no mu knock pro. Samates dey na. Unza na make say almost software no mu use no. Mu use knock pro. So that is the software they are using.
And they much advanced.
Yeah. No, my system see view no.
View no. Okay.
It's more advanced than that is knock pro. No, use. And also no. Now we use any
Vest.
The moment the make say like what they are doing is more advanced than what all the class are doing here. They are using the vest once again.
Okay.
And see, obobo no we are cheap no. You know the chip will give play beer, medical 2 year, everything about you beer no. So I have a brochure vest no use na black be no here. Now they are also using it over there. And I think that if you want to say football. If you want to do football and get good for the market. One thing about it is, for example, omubo match be now in that match, we hear what the Napoli was giving a more even the player no qualities now. Now, someone you almost say technical ability. He has the ability to control. Carry the ball, able to switch play, into opponent's half and give pass to his strikers. And the way idea Napuna capture was he overborn. And Yama or on the foot on that day. You control the ball very well in terms of giving long passes to the strikers and how he's able to control play. Nina a capture now at the amount in terms of interceptions and all those things that you know. Class ni be
o se atare ne re
vest no o se cheap ne shem nya atare na me ka se me wansa na me kan sia we na pronounce na me ready sia no
da bi atare na se na me bi
o vest no dey virtually reach your heart your
samates for bi
omo bi
okay
dey training mo
omo bi
okay
on place omo dey train at match and they redo heart your speed what we nyina nti match we am yi chip na no the share machine mu a the chip ebe you data nyina e dey about say match no 2 minutes
we nyina akoso samates
nyina akoso samates no they are doing football honestly the guys are seriously doing football and I think say if the only problem is if it can be able to continue we say the problem with Ghana football is that we are not be anu abamobu because sikamba
we nyina so iska
sika because we say almost system no virtually a company no they are okay because any football no most come okay o obi an system say okay because a company no scan dey run you know and for how long ti any na good production and boys ni yama you know so the samates who Amando
around there
Amando na
okay from
Amando na what baba said
kayake then two baba kayake said to the other end baba Amando
they call left from baby I me tell from the left side baby I will tell the right
oh kind from
etia for me no mo hye ba ko Amando na ba ko Ivan so say usu
from kayake no
kayake next one said next one baba
Amando no
okay
but he made
last but one from
from
the
some
left
extent I think he Oteki the right decision in joining Samates.
Yeah.
It might sound controversial, but Oteki the right decision. Say Kotoko kon. Has score.
The chase for Amando.
And now settle down. Say he will go to Samates because of a more playing time. And indeed, so here Division 1 players nearby Kotoko no. Dodo stay. The ratio. Say Peter stay. So more stay, but Dodo on ratio not the same. As compared to or no course Samates now one or the other. I think the decision to move from Sky.
But this season, transfer window means will be a kono.
Why
Amando?
On say to say I say Amankona common. I say Amankona common.
Ghanaian clubs.
Omo use statement. It's like say keep off. We are not selling our players. That's the teams now decided to do with others rather than
almost so bad. Then how almost so bad. Be ready to pay how they will sell outside. For example, say do other Mkotono
London
150, you know. And Thomas say open say that can't pay $150,000 because that's how.
And Amando go how many of the players now owns the clubs starting no more business.
Asem na bentia.
And say no asem
no.
Because all players go in no. It looks like on ball last season no. Say
we ka this season as well Kotoko ne has JCU.
No dey ba Amando no.
Ka asem na ben. Say one more players
we watch player now ka say maguma timo and the man so be top pressure ma Samates for no. O say
Pacho we dey Kamura has transfers nim kakra.
Ade dey na so.
Na monhwe has ni players ni sikasem no. E na monhwe mu kakra.
I say bibia
na.
Oh, I think they've been a bit delay in payments bi kakra.
I say
player bendi.
Omo ma sign omo no.
I say enye
Jamo mo say ko mo chi.
Debe enko mechi.
So na say bi ni.
So go Kroma.
So ma players are ma ko medicals. Amo ma pass omo. Dey has JC asho omo. Omo ya announcement no. Omo ntua sika ba akokura ma clubs no.
No nya clubs no.
Na ho amo.
Some of the players.
That's how so much
the percentage that some of the players were expecting.
Player being and they are about on board working.
Think I'm saying more issue.
You to
Copy me, Judy. Think I'm so the
asema pese wo kan echese ya asema wakote eti asema wate de at least anya we no wo mfato ba ko mienu bi eti player ben na wo fu say ana wo kotete ye no ye say ha asa sign na ne sika so nko
an area na me din comot me ye checks kaka transfer UCI. Now what I pick is that has honestly so only omo negotiation table no so omo sika sem na ye a bit rigid kaka.
Players paying.
Musika sem no, I rigid. So what the mekan? As of my year, and to say house because this is coming from one agent on a house at daily pay. Was it normally in house no carbe cordona? Maybe I in check. Oh, papa nesi. But as I feel you know, a chichin mukakra. Oh, a chichin mukakra. We may carbe to Baba Musa de Yusu just to make a point say. And to say house na obo na bia bo no mbe reply no sometimes even less than half of the amount you mentioned oma nte KGT adwa no oh the paneka 7 cities out me can 2 cities enu bi na ekoso no
asi edi ade no na ko kan 7 na no otua
oh once first ni pan se first the house so can 7 to me
David first house na enye ne house
amana ye Amana show. Because it was with one player bia I say I check them just you this is what is going on. I say bono ne the has response no the banana he move too much.
In the agent tell us a negotiation table now.
Won't me nko ya as meji 10 has the 10 na so
ko anya 10 but say bi ombe can say bia 2 there. Be about 10 cities about 2 cities there.
So but based on me what I hear for example on the nations guys like this. Now I was say the requirement team as in relationship with Stefan saying to be and then say my transfer no go to because in terms of payment you know up to now no so nyam bi near some yen share
payment to wine
so on them kotom
nations
so how do them kotom enti
o motuaka
no and
he said they will come about relationship there say na Dr. Chene
say na meka no
enti no mienu abesobo mu
say meka enti nka ye ankoye no na na ko ye nka just can sign ya nka asembe ba ho 2 Russia look at the players that so almost no nko fa nwene nko kotoko dem dia no so you free ya bia
and the same year
omu nya na ko free I say ba edite wa free na ko salary
free say
it's a free transfer.
A strategic signing.
Strategic.
Yeah. Exactly too. Meba. Nyabotre.
business.
Nyabotre. Kylian Mbappe. That Madrid fan.
One out of how many?
And yeah, 1 out of how many? A serious a various
Alaba came free.
Djibouti. Bagito. No. Ubetian play and there. Ebi akọ club player na bi kura aka na 1 season na no contract aba na wie okọ club na say ebi obeje o me fancy Ghanaian club was meje $100,000 club ni feel say this moment any the contract na aka no ontua $100,000 yes we knew but ontua because aka na 1 season pay then any player na be kasa o dey about 1 season na aka no eso a bra ebi kura nka signing on fee na e be ma club no Yedebe ma. May I witness to say my memo example. Because no there was involved. Emmanuel Seku for general. Also ko bobo Libya. Kotoko Libya. And no money Etihad. So mo bo match ni wie no. Na Etihad for the buy so mo hia Seku for. And no offer $250,000. Sabre no. Kotoko say kofo eboro sa. Na aka kofo so be 8 months. Ti twema mentwe ne sa nyoma na no. E no aka che club ne so no obebo. Nti omo pa. Omo twema 8 months ne so. 8 months in so ya for free Kotoko no kwaji sell $250,000 no ko Libya
yo the make an answer one team I say there's no club Emma they say one transfer window 5-6 players ninya free and see ankwa na esi
exactly
baby a weekend and so baby a ala sa weekend this transfer window oyi boy ko Ramado boy Mbappe teams here who follow you wow teams you got players are buying one are free Uba Mario one are free and it's not are there common
common womba
and you common say you get in the one transfer window team back on there 10 or 8 players
exactly
free you won't get it anywhere
just a Ghana no one say Ghana why na be blame no for free player free no
Ghana kwano be
say why na be blame no club na offer free player na as a player na we free agent no why na be blame no
who you are going to blame
the most important thing is the quality of the player so we free no ni ball na club fana no problem
so Bianca say problem
bibi
Asana America
adeba kwa za kitu obesene say baby your person the example no ye mi say how many times and not say play a movie from club A ako club B no akosan 2 years 102.7 what I say play a movie from club A ako club B no akosan 2 years say bien fan say Madrid akoto Mbappe and asoma akoto player B from club A minimum abesan 4 years minimum abesan 4 years etinye say okoda no wani wani atina your friend say odi no run it down and because of the way you see running football most of the agents and any players no they say money at so they take advantage of the situation it's a bad no be say 2 years na me hwe na ebia me bibiani Gold Stars Kotoko aba omo de ebia $100,000 $100,000 Ghana cedis aba bibiani Gold Stars for so monje now I come be 1 year okay me twen na $100,000 majimu half e dey come miss kana nko mo de be ma me dada na ho na me ko obedu Kotoko na be sign 2 years the same 2 years ni bi odu Hasan na sign the same 2 years ni bi eti order sorry e wani ti na contract na san so always transfer in the tight corner
Manchester some operabio nyama
but say United he is a free agent or say Juventus we no otifi so he's a quality player
free agent
teams will chase him sisi a me but in America no no I say we are go no na about how teams know financially struggle because you see players of Musani who will tell me say they were the best last season
players
say players of Muyu pa last season any teams of Mu they won't get them because omu team coach Oscar
players be na come say
we say last season teams of bon money pa if you want the quality in terms of a year I don't know be anko mediama
meba
I don't know be anko Samates
Jack meba
I don't know be anko Dreams FC
Jack meba
because in terms of last season league na boy any involved in Africa no players of Muyu ho pa no o pese o kan no kra pa mediama Dreams any Samates players na nim say in terms of quality omu ehu omo one alcohol
Jack to meba
obi anko because they don't have money to go and pay
I made a question no me the last season league na ma hwe bebre okureni but player dey ohwe ne da ba akokura no nimbo a ohun so nimbo fa cho Emmanuel Boatin ya ba Kotoko yi di o Dreams FC an gonya bi mo Emmanuel onya bi mo
so onya bi mo
ai
and say and
so Dreams are
it depend on coach I mean I won't sit because boys na no so ebo
obi te say Lamte
the
obi te say Lamte o free Kotoko no a free player so tell me chana say enti yem fa ne say Lamte with different club and our more Dreams FC and our more mediema ya wo kan ya Lamte no a free onya quality player
he's a quality player
onya de enche Dreams ne mediema players bebre
he's a good player he's a good player
onya de enche bebre
obi anka so good player he's a good player
enti dem be say me chene say the fact that player be free no Emma won't conclude say because so you free na be and quality of form
I have not said that
then I be so can be
say place ya some liar combine both Kotoko house you mo for free ya o do 15
because me meti hey na fa ne so obi afre me Samba ye obai as a free agent last year league ye one best defender we league ne best center back one what be my
and they depend on
no me person was a key to choose your best center back last is in the league
aye Oh, in the league, I said I would. This guy, this Dream FC centre back or I find it. I also call Rwanda. I find it. Jalilu. I think.
To the financial Jalilu, I could do for say $100,000. Samba so free. Jalilu will need bonche samba.
That is you.
That is the truth.
That is the truth.
You don't need. You
At
don't
least,
need 10 matches.
Jalilu has
Samba. Yes, I screen is
he has only proven it against us who were just go dodging from relegation. To me, you don't tell me that our team are not all we are, and then so be dodging go and sign all we know.
Oh,
if you prove that, but Jalilu have proven it against quality teams in Africa.
Zakito.
And Anya Biano, Jalilu's level now of boy in Africa. No, I will rate it on any day than has a folk against Kotoko. Samba ko prove. Samba will still need more games to let us see say ampa.
Boya ye be ne boya branty boy. We win 1,000 games.
Obianka so nyadi o. But me say
1,000 games.
And there me rating over Jalilu.
Boy na ye hwe ne dan ne Samba na ye hwe no. Never be Anton Chen. The level that he has showcased, even one game no, we better than centre backs no more Ghana league no.
And that is but maybe there
share the composure, the leadership qualities. Our
the Major Jalilu I didn't see in Jalilu in the Africa or about Africa against quality opponents. Let's underline the word. Somebody even apart from say against House of Folk, yeah.
Hey,
now against us.
Yeah, wabo in the Burkina Faso league, wabo Mali league, wabo Congo league.
Oh, Jibo.
Teams here never be share teams you.
Yeah, but Congo na boy no nye Brazzaville we nye DR Congo we Brazzaville.
Ada mama ye dey.
No say Brazzaville there Jibo. In terms of football, yeah, form now but this na Brazzaville there Jibo.
Now
And yeah, DR Congo there. Omo dey be say omo dey ball omo ni mo pa.
At the point. Na Ghana league here but the best left back no free Congo. Radio Vocal. Meboa.
Yeah.
Congo na no free.
Best left back in the league.
Yes, at a point he was the best left back in our local league.
No, I don't think so. Sir. At the point, no, the best in the league.
But
Obianka said, but
at the point, Radio Vocal was rated the best. But I see, the entire I'm caught between Jibo argument now making any word, you know. Oh, you're making a case. Oh, we are boha. Your league year, since let's say from the year 2000 ever. You have seen, I think the only player or Burma or Bow with some clout and as will be any no was Valentine Atem.
Yeah.
And no crano, a bayer who had because of Asante Kotoko, crash on go crashing one air Cameroon. Aside that, almost all the players are up by a league from outside Niana Mobombe. Most of them come unknown. Ameture, Victorian Adebayo, Radio Vocal. You can name them Bebrena ba your league nima when omo ba obi animo, but they get in and they play proper and they play well for us. Eti on that score you cannot say be a ofri croquet to be so and I say be a or more and intino pesa or the quality no and I say you downplay the quality now but then again I also side with you credit because player there I've seen players that obebo one match no show so much promise akwebo ya boy dey see na bebo dey ama dey na enya asem ketwa but then obo so bebo subsequent games na amfa biem miss Nijibo ya adwi kakra say player onimbo dey hwe wa me Richardson no me hwe 1% na me Scandi na net stadium ka Scandi akrai boy ya obo mapa kwesi fe bi ne Kotoko yi se see ya na bebo ne dey any na just a league no betimi abo and we also Richardson and answer say the plan ever it when you're making some of this argument and some of this analysis and I say oh yes so emphatic on something one way when him beguasi yakito menim kana wati ase
that yenese na fe yeko ensema kan so
menka say free play nyade I've not said it here.
Yeah.
Argument about
finances.
We the issue about Skamba no. And I made sure say they are going there because today baby our music asemchira no. That is the only
strategy on betting.
Signings they can be signing free because on team customer test. Enko Cheska go funny player or on team come media man ko Cheska funny player. And so me yana say ye twen no contract wu ani afa. Ni afa. But so you know say me I'm against a team who dey say free. And one man league in Koso.
No, you want fault.
and minim where
Ebazaki to so opportunity they presenting one. Na player no you good, no you free. Problem any day.
I can say I know ba ku bi no afako. It was mass ni nyane ye the mass free
because
me against it.
Many other players are aside the other players are Maba Kotoko ne hasa this season. Omu 2 years can at all from their clubs. It is opportunity ba na player a free agent na winning bobo. Now we a coach, we a club. Now we shall not be fitting into your plans. So we my resource. Problem be.
And you
funny say. Players here got to terminate your contract. Morrison, Lamte, Bubudini Bimame.
I think Isaac
Opon, Bubumam Nicolas or Sebus. Okay. Now it be a Premier League club in Ghana. They decided to offer these players. Who can say that these are not quality players? Are they also from free agent as free players? So I'm yet 10 no money Bokra for more.
And I'm say football.
Usika Kwana want to bet me they are going to
but say a person will lay a tomb. I remember say when the issue about broadcast and Sikasemba England document Ukaya, one of the main reasons they agreed on certain things and he said big clubs to give money to the lesser clubs because they know say we are here you understand and to no we more sponsorships we more appeal we more but make it one me ska you understand it media no matete no betoko to menya
o sign contract no sign the one den wo o sign player e wo lower club na man 2 years 2 years nso na player obo no mo dey a big club e fa no ano no ya to aso wasugu so a wutie promise 102.7 live on TV